You've heard about this agitation for some Anioma states.
Yes, Anioma, the
Exactly.
Igbo.
Exactly. Now, what are they trying to do with this Anioma state? They are going to carve out a part of Delta, carve out some part of Benin, and probably some other states to form a state. And they have said, in short, that name Anioma, Igbos are already claiming it. Igbos are already claiming it. So they are going to add it to the southeast. So if it happens, sir, in the next 50 years, Anioma is going to be seen as Igbo state. And they will say that Anioma people are Igbo. Whereas it was carved out from different states. Even in the Delta state, as we speak, we have a lot of people, our people in Delta states. A lot of people. Like Ozanogogo, which recently was another place that trended. Ozanogogo is in Delta state, Agbo, close to Agbo. All right? Now, if it happens in the next 50 years, you see that other people might be here or somewhere trying to defend that this place is actually from Benin, or this place is actually from Delta, or this place is exactly.
Hello, welcome to N1 Cultural Forum. In case today is your first time of coming across any of our videos, kindly hit the subscribe button and please hit the notification bell so that when we put out videos, you'll be among the first set of people to see the video. Today, we're going to look at the Igbos in Western Igbo land. Now, there are speculations that the people in Western Igbo land were not Igbo people. In fact, that it was due to our acculturation that they learned the Igbo language. But that is incorrect. Now, there are groups of indigenous Igbo people in Western Igbo land. Today, we are going to look at a very interesting group, a very ancient group known as Umuikim. Now, Umuikim are in Ubuluku in Delta State. They are also in Ogwashioku and they are also in Ibuzo. You can also find them in Ubulokiti. Now, it is also interesting to know that you will find Ndi Umuikim in present-day Anambra State. Who are these people called Umuikim? Now, Umuikim Obolo in Ubuluku live in a place called Isiolie in Ubuluku today, where a man known in history as Okpuzo, you see, Okpuzo, an Igbo name, lived. It is believed that Okpuzo was among the first groups of Umuikim Obolo to inhabit Ubuluku. Now, aside from those who lived in the place we call Isiolie today, we have Umuikim groups living in places like Abuedo. Their place in Abuedo is called Obibo. Interesting, right? Now, they also live in another settlement in Ubuluku called Onitsha. Their place in Onichuku is called Idumuilo. They are also found in Obego, where their ancestral deity, which is used for their metal work, is kept. Their place in Obego is called Idumuomo. So somebody will say Idigu Idumuomo. Their greeting is Ojogu, meaning Ojogweri, the one who feeds from conquests and spoils of battle, the one who takes pride in engaging in battle. Now, they occupy a very prominent role in the chieftaincy class known in Ubolo as Okweyese, the class of war chiefs, where they are solely in charge of metal works. Now, we are going to discuss metal works in another topic where you will learn that it is not just anyone who goes into metal work. Metal works are crafts, among the crafts that are in a family line. If you yana ozo or mamadama, that is the lineage through their deity who will lead those who make metals. Epozo, yani ifyozo. Now, one of the salutations of these people called Umuikim is Umuikim Ozwa Unoyi, the blacksmith who makes metals even in cold weather. Now there are people also in this class who are presently in Ogwashuku. They are greeted Ojogu. They are also the same group in Ibuzo. The place in Ibuzo where they are is called Omori, and their greeting is Ojogu. Umuikim are known to keep these totems. They do not eat the meat, egg, or any product from Kokowa known as Okwa. In my next video, I'm going to discuss with elders from there to find out why do they forbid this meat. And they also do not use the wood of Akereko Abono. Now, people from there will know the wood called Akereko Abono. It is one of the trees they use its wood in making metal. So, as a mark of respect, that tree is totemized. It is a sacred tree for them. Now, you have learned about the indigenous Igbo people in Ubuluku known as Umuikim. They migrated from Anambra State, either Aguku Nri or Nri itself. Now, they are found in Ubuluku in Delta State. Some of them also did a recoil migration back to Anambra, where they now bear the name Umuikim. Now, to buttress this story, I stumbled upon a video made by one of our sister channels, Voice of Enuane, documenting the stories of these Igbo-speaking people in Western Igbo land. Now, I'm going to share this video with you and watch. And I also encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to that channel, as they also put out videos that promote Igbo unity and Igbo identity and heritage. Thank you so much. Enjoy watching.
Benin dumo kuzo gaja fa ebi mmenu wom bu Gabriel Samawena oyisi oye Umuikim ogbe won zabo ikem basibia Igbo kikensi danoboro oye si Igbo bia na banta bashaja na boro de obrezemu yakwaje kwa obrezemu abawe obla banta bashaja bo oboro amere objaja ne basine ya lebele boro Ubuluku kosi mabeni sino wa mi kemo mwe no wa boro ne kosi wo shore ikem sorry kosi wo shi ikem no boro ne do so na fa uzo afọ ya jale ongo oje bia aye bu mezia oba bia ke iduma uzo echemenche ama bo ndi aya bia oke iduma uzo oke iduma mo ikekwebo oke onecha ikekwebo oke abedo ikekwebo oba sendi abedo unu chereche si abedo we mbiaru oborode ndị ọbụla gafere ndị agha bịa wechiriwe ọ tọgbọrọ isi nri n'ebeli wechimeche ọzọkwa ogbe ego n'ụzọ siri ọpụcha Wachimenche. Tabo Monicha. Monicha ni chenche kwesa kwa ni chubo. Kwesi Umuikim. Chenche na oborodo. Yaba ono
Ikem su Igbo bịa, onye particular Igbo kwesị wee bịa bụ ndị Ikem.
Anambra
Okay.
kwesị bịa. So ụgbọ ọrụ bịa abịaghị agbata ka ọ nọ kụzie ọnọdụ n'ụbụrụ karụ. Ya ka eji siri ụbụrụ ukwu maka ifere ụbụrụ na ọ bịara agbata.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. If you did enjoy watching the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and look out for more videos like this. Thank you and do have a very wonderful day.
Anyone